What is up, everyone? This is Motorola here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows error code 0x80004005 or the unspecified error. This is how to fix the zip file extraction issue that may be happening on Windows 10 or 11. So let's go around this. So the easiest way to basically fix this, so look, I have a zip file here as an example. And let's say you try to do the extract all and that error pops up. The easiest way to fix this is either download WinRAR or download 7-zip. So these are external softwares. They're free. You can download them. WinRAR is sort of free. You can download them and then essentially utilize those to do the extraction rather than the Windows extractor itself. So Windows does have an extraction thing. So like you're seeing over here, if I press extract all, this is going to extract the drive, the folder itself in here or wherever I want it to, and it will successfully extract it. But you want to basically get the other option and then open with, and you'll see that it'll show the other options to basically extract it, and then you basically either do, again, 7-zip, WinRAR, or maybe you have another extraction tool that you utilize. You can just do that from there instead. So yeah, that's basically it. Once you do that, you don't need to do it from the Windows one directly, and you'll be good to go. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have a video, please thumbs up, go on the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and then Motorola's out. Peace.